first, let's go ahead and install your new mechanical handle from RV Lock. Grab the front portion of your new handle. I like to lock the door down so that it stays in this position, so it'll hold it for you while you're doing what we're going to do here. So go ahead and take the handle and twist it into the opening here, so it's in its spot like that. We're going to grab the metal plate here and stick it on. Grab the 2 screws. I like to not go too tight with these until they're both in, then you can snug them down. Okay, we're going to grab the interior handle and line it up on that shaft with that red lever. There we go, it kind of snaps on there. You need to hold it in place for just a second while you get your screws started, at least one anyway. And then if you can grab your drill, and there we go. Change hands here. Grab your drill hopefully and start it here. Alright, make sure all your screws are tight. Then you can swing the door closed. Make sure that the mechanical part works right. Perfect. That's how you install your mechanical handle.